Hello, this is our TES teardown guide on a TCP 100 polisher. If you have a short model TCP 100, the only differences are going to be your hopper is going to be a little bit different and your base is going to be a little bit shorter to fit under the semi-automatic encapsulator machines. To start with your teardown, we're going to start right here with the hopper. We're going to undo the hose clamps down here. We'll set that to the side as of right now, and this will just lift right on out. Now we'll move on to your faulty capsule. There's just two hinges here on the sides. One here, and this will just slide right out on the top. It does have a hinge here, so on your daily cleans, just dump out all your capsules here and spray that out with your airline. So we will start with removing this back cover. There are two clamps, one here and one on the opposite side. We'll just set this to the side for right now. Next, we'll start with here with the body. There are four clamps, two here and two here on the bottom end. This will just slide right out from here. Keep an eye on this portion here. So next we are going to remove the belt. On this model, on the belt tensioner, we have a thumb screw. Yours might have a socket cap, that is okay. You'll just need to stick it in there and loosen it up. And we'll grab the belt from down here and just pull it off and set that apart. Next, we're going to remove the airline. Always take this off right here because you do not want it to get damaged or wet while cleaning. So next, we're going to take the cage out from the bearing housings. This top one is going to be loose, so we recommend grabbing it from the top and keeping hold of this bearing here. We'll set it to the side. After your cage is out, you can remove this lower half of the body. It'll lift just straight out, and you can clean this with soap and water. Now that you have your cage out of your polisher, you can remove the brush from the cage. When cleaning your cage, you can submerge this in soap and water. It is recommended to take these plastic covers off because powder can be trapped in between here and the cage on both ends. So next we will take your brush off the shaft. You will need to remove this collar. You will need a size 4 Allen. You will release the tension on that set screw. Pull the collar completely off. Now your brush will be free. For your polisher shaft, we recommend not submerging this in soap and water for two reasons. Number one is to protect your bearings, and we do not want rust getting on the inside of your shaft. For your polisher brush, you can clean it with soap and water. After you've cleaned it with soap and water, it is best to dry it with your airline and then to hang it vertically to keep the brushes in this perfect condition. Thank you for watching our TES teardown guide on a TCP 100 polisher. We will have another video of setup and troubleshooting coming soon.